How to change language from Spanish to English on Netflix. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, launch a browser that you prefer in your device. Search for netflix.com or open up Netflix application in your PC or in your mobile device. Once you're in here, you need to sign in into a Netflix account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up for now. Once you are logged in into a Netflix account, you have to head to the option of Edit Profile. In your Edit Profile option, you will find the option of Languages. Just tap on the drop-down icon. Now, if you want to change a language from Spanish to English, just go ahead and select on the English option. Once you do that, just tap on the Save icon and your language for your Netflix from Spanish to English will be changed. If you are using a mobile device, you can open up your mobile device. In here, head to your Netflix application and log in into your account. Now from here at the very top, in your right hand corner, you will see the Edit option. Just tap on Edit. From there, navigate to the option of Display Languages. Select the option, and if you are currently tuned in for Spanish, go ahead and tap on the English option. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.